Most people get this wrong when trying to withdraw from the Bitponix airdrop. They claim the reward, but can't withdraw it. They complete some tasks, but miss one hidden requirement. Or worse, they think the free ALGO token is instant cash when it's actually locked until verification. Here's the truth, no one tells you. The Bitponix airdrop can work, but only if you follow the exact steps in the correct order. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to claim the Bitponix ALGO airdrop in 2026, how to complete the withdrawal process, the hidden requirements you need to know, and how to avoid the biggest mistakes that stop most people from cashing out. So let's get straight into it. First, let's understand what this Bitponix event actually is. Bitponix is promoting several reward campaigns for new users. Some users report getting around 6 ALGO after completing KYC. Others mention an extra $8 ALGO bonus. And some promotions advertise larger, up to $100 style rewards depending on tasks or referrals. But here's the problem. A lot of people see free $100 and assume it's automatic. And this is where most people fail. Most rewards are task-based. That means you may need to register, verify identity, complete missions, or even trade or deposit depending on the campaign. So, Step 1. Create your Bitponix account. Go to the official Bitponix website or app. Tap Register. Enter your email. Create a password. Then verify your email using the OTP code. Simple. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many people stop there. But registration alone usually doesn't unlock withdrawals. Step 2 is KYC verification. This means know your customer verification. Upload your ID. Take a selfie if required. And wait for approval. For example, Alex signs up but skips KYC. No reward. Jake completes KYC. Gets access to the reward dashboard. Simple. Now once KYC is approved, check the events or rewards section. This is where active promotions are listed. You may see things like Join Now, Claim Reward, Complete Tasks, or Bonus Center. Tap into the ALGO event. Now this is where most people fail. They don't read the requirements carefully. Some events only require KYC. Others require extra tasks like joining Telegram, making a small trade, or depositing crypto. Complete every listed task. Once done, tap Claim. Some users say the reward is credited instantly. Others report waiting a few minutes or hours. Usually the reward goes into your funding wallet. Now in a minute, I'll show you the exact withdrawal process. But first, there's something important. Some promotions are not directly withdrawable. This is where most people fail. The reward may be locked until you complete another condition. For example, trade volume requirement, deposit requirement, or wallet verification. Always check the event rules. Now, let's move to withdrawal. Open your funding wallet. Find ALGO or the token you received. Tap Withdraw. Now you need a receiving wallet address. This could be Trust Wallet, AUX, or another exchange wallet that supports ALGO. Copy your ALGO deposit address carefully. Paste it into Bitponix. Now here's the problem. Sending to the wrong network can lose funds. And this is where most people fail. Always make sure the receiving wallet supports the same network. For example, John copies the wrong address. Funds may be lost. Jake checks carefully. Withdrawal succeeds. Simple. Next, enter the amount. You may see a withdrawal fee. Review the final amount. Then, confirm. You may need email verification or 2FA. Complete that. Tap Submit. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some users say withdrawals are instant. Others report delays during high traffic or manual review. So don't panic immediately if it takes time. Check withdrawal history. You may see pending, processing, completed, or failed. If completed, use the transaction ID to track it. Simple. Now let's talk about the instant withdrawal proof videos online. A lot of creators show successful withdrawals. Some may be real. Some may be promotional. So always test with a small amount first. Now let's cover the biggest mistakes. Mistake number 1. Skipping KYC. No verification means no withdrawal. Mistake number 2. Not completing all tasks. No completed mission means no reward. Mistake number 3. Trying to withdraw locked funds. Check conditions first. Mistake number 4. Using the wrong wallet address. Double check carefully. Mistake number 5. Ignoring fees. Your final amount may be lower. Now here's the truth no one tells you. Some free crypto events are mainly designed to get signups and activity. That doesn't always mean scam. But it does mean you should be careful. Never deposit more than you can afford to lose. And never trust guaranteed earnings. This is where most people fail. Now let's compare two users. Alexei's free $100. Rushes. Deposits money without checking rules. Gets stuck. Jake reads the conditions. Completes only free tasks first. Tests withdrawal with a small amount. Jake stays safe. Simple. Nush. Now let's quickly recap. Create your Bitponix account. Verify email. Complete KYC. Open the rewards or event section. Join the ALGO airdrop. Complete all required tasks. Claim the reward. Open funding wallet. Tap withdraw. Paste your ALGO wallet address. Enter amount. Confirm withdrawal. Track status. That's the full process. Simple, once you know the steps. Now you know exactly how to claim and withdraw the Bitponix airdrop in 2026. No confusion. No wasted time. Just the safest and easiest method. If this video helped you understand the Bitponix ALGO withdrawal process, hit the like button. Comment below if your withdrawal worked or if you got stuck. And if you want more crypto airdrop guides, withdrawal tutorials and scam checks, subscribe now so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.